I've been uploading a lot of content lately because first, I have the time. Now that school is out, I don't have to worry about coming and going, pickups, drop-offs, going to the school, all of that. And well, that's the biggest one. But also, like, the storage is running out on my phone. So I have to, like, get the videos out if I want to make another one. So I'm just, like, popping off videos, like, never before. So hopefully they're enjoyable. I'm having fun making them. I'm feeling creative, so it's always good to kind of just keep the creative vibe going if it, like, you're feeling it. So kids went golfing today, last minute golfing with their dad. So I have a few hours to myself, and I thought I would create another eyeshadow look. So I'm going to use another affordable palette today. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild palette. This is just V.I.Purple. I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, V.I.Purple. So we are going to get into that. First, I'm going to just take my contour stick from Hard Candy, and I'm going to do a little eye contour first. So I'm just going to go up above the crease with the contour and follow along to my nose and just kind of contour out this brow bone a bit. There's not really any neutral tones in the palette, so I just felt like this would be good to do, and it's nice for the summertime too to use cream products on the eyes as well. Just blend that out. All right, I'm gonna start off with this transition color that is the most neutral in the palette. Kind of has like some purpley reddish undertones to it, and I'm gonna go in with this square brush. It's flatter and wider, and we're gonna use this to kind of hug our brow bone. So it's a good technique to just kind of hug the brow bone, and then you get right in the crease and right above the crease. And then the cream contour will do the rest of the work on the inner part of the eye. I'm just gonna lift my lid a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with this really neutral light tone in the palette, and I'm gonna use this for my lid. Now I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, the JH40, and I'm going to go into the purple tone right here. And I'm just going to press that along the edge of my lash line. Near the outer corner. Then I'm going to take the pinky purple beside it and follow that line. And then I'm going to go into the lightest lilac-y purple beside it and continue to the inner corner. I'm going to take this little liner brush. This is from e.l.f. It's an angled brush. I am going to knock over things on my counter. I'm going to get my priming mist and just give it a little hit of that so that the brush is a little bit wet. And then I'm going to go back into the lightest lilac tone and pick some of that color up. Get it more in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in the palette and the outer corner of my eye on the lower lash line. I curled my lashes and I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Deep Violet mascara to go with this look, just so that I don't take away from the purple with black mascara. Sometimes, especially if the color is along the lash line, once you put on some mascara, it kind of just hides it all. So I'm going in with some purple mascara. All right, this is the final look and just an easy little eyeshadow tutorial to bring in some more purple, more color into your makeup look if you are a neutral lover like myself and stick to neutral tones most of the time. This is a simple way to just add a little pop of color without it becoming too overwhelming and too much on the eyes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys again soon.